Children, let's practice reading. Short E words. Read with me. Fit, fit, met, met, hit, 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 sit, sit, hit, hit, pig, pig, wig, wig, big, 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 fig, fig, bin, bin, pin, pin, tin, tin, win, win, fin, fin. Good job, children. Follow us for more.